Traders and non-traders, if you are new to the channel, welcome. I'm Scott Andrews. This is Scotty's Trading. So what this is it's sort of like a Saturday trade recap. It wasn't particularly eventful end to the week for my trade here, short on the New Zealand US dollar. So we've got the hourly time frame up now, and it was quite interesting. Earlier, I think it was Thursday, I had a bit of a pop. Again, I'm not a fundamental type guy, but it's been quite a volatile sort of week with everything going on and whatnot. And then we sort of, went sideways. We dipped a little bit lower, but it definitely found a little bit of support here intraday at 67.35. And we'll see. We'll see the 4 hour, see what the candle look like there. So pretty indecisive. We go to the daily. Weekly, so a little wiki to finish, to be fair, so it's not that great, to be honest, but that is that trade there. So I will be holding it obviously over the weekend, and I had intentions to do that as well. I didn't I don't close trades out when it's only if it catches the stop or if it hits my trailing exit, so I'm not really keen to just close it out early. And the Aussie dollar, let's see how that finished for the week. Now, I was contemplating a sell when it was sort of down here, and I waited for the next candle to print. We'll go to the 4 hour time frame, because it was really testing this support level, and then it bounced up, and then I passed on it. So it doesn't always look like that. Sometimes you'll miss the move, but I really didn't, so I was happy about that. Let's have a look at the euro as well. Euro's not too bad. Okay, so I'm probably more short biased on this, just looking at it, but it's pretty hard to trade, so I'm gonna bypass this one. This is not something I'm too interested in. Oh, well, that's nice. You think he's going for a bit less painful than the Windows 10 updates. I don't know if you find them, but they can be pretty traumatic sometimes. How long they take. All right, so the pound again. Like I said, the US dollar sort of weakened a little bit later in the session, and USD yen. I will watch this to see what it does on Monday. I won't trade Monday, but I just like to see how things set up on Monday. And then Tuesday's when, I'll contemplate putting a trade on. So that's about it. And end of the month. So very flat for me. So we had 2 trades. We had a Aussie US, which was a break even, USD CAD, which was just above break even. And that was it. So not really a lot of activity. So that's realized, gain of, I don't know what that is, like 0.2%. Which is a little bit better. Last month was 2.5% down. So actually, the video hasn't gone on that long. Let's just bring it up. I didn't have this prepared. I do apologize, but it hasn't been going on that long. Okay, so let's just bring up some stats. This will be for my Oanda and my AxiTrader account. Hope everyone had a good trading week as well, and a good trading month. I was in more conservative mode, to be fair. Just after last month in May, which was negative 4% on the Oanda account, negative 2.5% on the AxiTrader account, I was very much in, I just minimized things, especially on the AxiTrader account. I was a bit disappointed about that, so. Let's see what this wants to show us. See, it was running well before. It's now sort of struggling a little bit. Okay. Alright, so let's just get this across here. Struggling. Everything's struggling a bit now. My maths was pretty correct though. Okay, so here is the AxiTrader account. We get a pretty little graph here as well. So there it is. So negative 2.17, this month is 0.21. So obviously unrealized a little bit with New Zealand dollar trade. We'll see how that goes though. I'm not particularly wooed by it. And now we'll go to, so that's that account there, guys, for the MetaTrader account. Because I do get messages about it's hard to view, and I don't understand what the deal is with my FX book, because I've tried to search my account just with, you know, not logging in, and it's difficult. My username is FX Bullish as well, so I hope that helps. All right, and we'll get the BB method. This used to, well, it originally was a Bollinger Band method. Then I've just gone completely naked charts. All right, so, and there we go. So that's your owner account. You know, better June for me. But again, not spectacular. I didn't take the New Zealand dollar trade. I was at work at the time, and I didn't have time to place. I was rushed, and I thought I had enough time to place one trade on one platform. And then I went, you know what, this is a bit too chaotic. I'm not comfortable. So, but again, that wouldn't be realized anyway. So, this is actually my second best month. So it's not too bad. I think it was an Aussie dollar trade, and it was a USD CAD trade. So, you know, it was a break even and a winning trade. So, but that's that. Anyway, guys, so that's a year for me so far on the Oanda account. I've been running since the start of the year. So no quitting the day job yet. But that's that, guys. So end of month review and a week and a bit of a watch list too in under 7 minutes. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.